talk about exposure. Exposure is the amount of light that hits your camera sensor to determine how bright or dark your picture is. Let's use this glass as an example. If the glass represents the sensor and the water represents the light, then this would result in an underexposed picture. But now, with the glass filled to the top, it would be a perfectly exposed image. But if your water is overflowing, it would result in an overexposed picture. Okay, let's say this glass represents 1 pixel of your camera sensor. If you have a 20 megapixel camera, then you'll have 20 million of these glasses. Exposure is controlled by 3 things: aperture, ISO, and shutter speed. Back to the glass. If the faucet is opened just a little, it will take a very long time to fill up the glass. That would be a small aperture and a long shutter speed. If the faucet's open all the way, the glass will fill quickly. That would be a large aperture and a quick shutter speed. Inside your camera is the shutter and the sensor. Let me show you how it works. Let's say my shutter is the sensor and these black cards are the shutter curtains. When you press the button, the top curtain comes up exposing the sensor, and then the bottom curtain comes up covering the sensor. Now that you have an idea of how exposure works, I'm going to teach you another trait of good photography called composition. There are many components to good composition, such as leading lines, the Fibonacci curve, and the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds states that if you divide an image into 3 equal parts along its horizontal and vertical axes, the points of intersection are compelling locations to place your subject. Let's look at some examples. Here we have a layout for a sports magazine. When we divide the image according to the rule of thirds and place the athlete on the left third, the image becomes a lot more interesting and allows extra space for text and graphics. Here is another example. Notice how the subject, me in this case, is placed along the left third. This composition really works because I'm looking into the image. If I was looking the other way, this wouldn't work at all. In this example, the subject is placed on the right third and her body forms a triangle. In this one, the subject is on the left third and also forms a triangle. This example shows the rule of thirds and repeating elements. In this example, a group is centered on the left third and the dip in the shoreline is to the right. In this ad, the infant's face is placed right at an intersection. And finally, in this birthday card, notice how the product is placed at the lower left intersection. Now that you know the rules of the game, get out there and get clicking.